Alright, as you see right here, this is actually my brand new Dover nameplate I just recently got for my birthday this year. Anyways, here we come to the elevator at the College of Veterinary Science at Texas A&M University in College Station, Texas. You remember this elevator, it's got a wonderful epic motor. It's a vintage Dover from 1968. This thing's got an epic motor. Here's a much better take of this piece of beauty. You on the beat? Fornicator. We'll get a cab here and we'll listen to the motor going up. Backlight's already burned out. Listen to the relay. Off the relay. Here we go. Love that motor on this. I love that motor. One of my absolute most favorite on campus. All right, let's go back down the one end there. Anyways, the floor here is burned out. You can see, I don't think none of them work. There's your phone right there. Again, I love these fixtures. Echo flush line. PTL controls. Button goes out. And here we are at one. All right, there it goes, and that's it.